Hello, my name is Sarah Mayo Nab, and I will be your instructor during this fast and furious summer session of GIT 230, Digital Illustration in Publishing. First, I would like to share a little bit about myself. I have a traditional art studio degree with an emphasis in documentary photography and a Master's of Science in Graphic Information Technology, both from Arizona State University. I work in the digital field of graphic design for print publications, branding and marketing, and web design and content strategies. I am currently working on a postgraduate certificate in instructional design. Now let's talk about this course. We're here to learn about raster and vector imaging by using Photoshop and Illustrator CS5 and 6 to practice some excellent foundation skills. This is a very important point, and that each of you should stay focused on completing each segment of each week's lessons. One lesson builds upon the next as you will learn. So please set aside the time to view the lectures, read the text, and complete the labs. I encourage you to complete each section. So about the questions that you might have, please plan to use the weekly help discussion board to post your questions and issues related to the coursework. I plan to check and comment on the discussion board on a regular basis. If you have a question that pertains to the course, I think other students will probably have a similar question. So by your posting that on the discussion board, we're sharing the answers and having a conversation about what we're learning as a group. And this helps to build a very comfortable, class-oriented feel. So I encourage you to use the weekly help discussion board. I'll make announcements each Wednesday that will contain additional information related to the weekly topics. This additional information is here to enrich the experience for you. It's not anything that's required for the course, but I want to add more information for those that just can't get enough of this. They're just moving ahead quickly and they're just curious, so there'll be additional articles and some tutorials and additional information for you. So look for that every Wednesday. I want to discourage you from emailing me because I might miss it. I get a lot of emails and I might not notice it, and then that leads to frustration where you don't feel like I'm actually there for you, and I am. So please keep those questions that you have on the weekly help discussion board, but if it's a personal matter then and you don't want to share it publicly, then I encourage you to email me, but in the subject line please say GIT 230 and then your name in the subject bar, so I know that it is pertaining to the course, and if it's a private matter, it's just between you and I. Thank you again for attending to that particular set of rules. I want to welcome you to GIT 230, and I encourage you to dive in to week 1 right now. Get started, get going, enjoy it, and I look forward to working with each one of you. See you online.